Hello students, today we are going to learn new chapter, that is simple equation. Then what is simple equation? So before going to understand the simple equation, first we should know how to use the variables, because the equation is nothing but equating the variables with numbers. So sometimes we will take value as x, y, z, a, b. So any alphabets we can take to make the equations. So sometimes if we don't know the number, that time we will letting to get that number as x, y or any variable we will use. So if we add anything to x, let's take x plus 3, it will be equal to 5. So we don't know the x, but we adding the 3, then we will get the 5. So if we solve this, we will get the x value. Okay, so if we make the subtraction from the y of any number, if we getting any number, okay, so let's take z only. Okay, so this is one also a equation. If you multiply this with any number, let's take 5, then we can say it as 5z. Z into 5, that's equal to 5z. Similarly, divide a divided by x, then we can say it as a by x. Okay, so these are not exact values, just assumptions, don't get confusion. Okay, so x plus 3 we may get 5, so let it will be our equation. So like that, if we multiplying the z into 5, we will get here 5z. If you take here x, then it will be 5x. Now a divided by x means how we can write a by x. In short, an equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Note that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. Okay, so here they took one example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 25. Okay, so this is left side and this is right side. So left is equating with the right side. Okay, and also they are having at least one variable. See here 4x is there, here 6x is there, one variable, that is x is our variable. So like that we have to take. Another thing, an equation remains the same when the expression on the left and on the right side are interchanged. If we interchange them, then also we will get the same values. Okay, there is no changes in the equation. So let's do here one example. Write the following statement in the form of equation. So here the statement they given, whatever the statements you reading, however you reading, like that you have to represent in the equation form. See here, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. See, sum means what you have to do? You have to do the plus. Okay, plus 3 times x means 3 times means 3 times means you have to multiply with x. So it will be 3x. Okay, next, and 11, so with 11, sum with 11 is means equal to, is equal to 32. Okay, so this is our required equation. Next, if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. See here, earlier they given x, but here they not given any variable. So what you have to do here, number is unknown. Okay, we don't know the number, that's why you have to take this number as x. So for that, what we have to do, 6 times a number means number we taking x, means 6 times x means 6x, and if you subtract 5 from this one means from 6x we have to minus 5, because subtracting gives us how much you will get? You will get 7. So this is our equation, 6x minus 5 equal to 7. Now coming to third one, 1/4 of m. What is 1/4 of m? 1/4 means 1 by 4. Of means into. M is 3 more than the 7. So 3 more than 7 means, so here 3 is more than 7 for this 1/4 of the m. How to write this one? So here 3 more than 7 means here it will be, if you make -7 is equal to 3 more, means if you make 7 to that side it will be more than 7, means 7 plus 3 it will be 10, gives us 1/4 of m. So here 7 is greater than the 3. So if I have to interchange this, then you will get 1/4 of m minus 7 equal to 3. Next, 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. 1/3 of number, so we don't know the number. Okay, so let's take it as x. 1/3 x. Of means x. So of means into, you have to do 1/3 of x plus 5 is how much? 8. So this is our answer. Okay, just you also go through the answers here they given. See, third one you may get confusion. See, I'll clear again. 1/4 m is m by 4, or else 1 by 4 into m. It is greater than 7 by 3. So this means the difference of m by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. So equation how to write? M by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, next fourth one also here. You go through this example number 2. What you have to do? They will give the equation and you have to write the statement. Okay, here x minus 5 equal to 9. It means you can write in you orally what you saying. X minus 5 means x is 5 is subtracting from x. Okay, from x subtracting. Okay, so you can write in like that also, or else here they give an answer. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Taking away means subtracting from where? X. So x minus 5, or else you can write like that also. 5 is subtracted from x is 9. So like that also write. Next, 5p equal to 20. So here 5 times a number p is 20. Okay, so next 3n plus 7 equal to 1. So add 7 to 3 times n to get 1. Next, m by 5 minus 2 is equal to 6. How they wrote? You get 6 when you subtract 2 from 1/5 of a number m. Okay, so like that you have to convert them into statement. Similarly, statement into equations. Understood? See here in the third example, it is very interesting. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. Okay, so what we have to do? So let's take the age of Raju be y years. What they told? 5 years more than 3 times Raju age. 3 times Raju age means you have to multiply with 3 into y, because we took here y. So 3 times means 3y. How much more? 5 more. So if you add plus means more means plus, so 3y plus 5. So and also they given age of father, that is 44. So if you equate with the 44, then you will get here equation, that is 3y plus 5 equal to 44. Okay, this is an equation in y. It will give Raju's age when solved. Okay, if you solve it, you will get the answer. Fourth question, once you go through this is also same like that only. They will give the statement, you have to convert it into equation. Now directly coming to the exercise 4.1. Okay, here they give an equation and also they given the value of x. You have to substitute this x value in equation, and if it is satisfied, then you can say that yes. If it is not satisfied means if your answer is coming wrong, then you can say no. Okay, so let's do the first one. Here x plus 3 equal to 0, then here x value is 3. So in place of x you put the 3. So what you will get here? 3 plus 3 equal to, we will get 6, but here what they given is equal to 0. It means this will be not equal to 0. So the given equation is not satisfied. What you have to write? Answer should be no. Next, x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so in place of x if you write 0, 0 plus 3, again what you will get? You will get 3, but here they equating it to equal to 0. So it means again it is not satisfying. What you have to write? Again here also no. Next, x plus 3 equal to 0. In case x equal to minus 3. See, minus 3, in place of x I wrote minus 3 plus 3. What it gives? It gives again here minus, here plus. Minus plus, what you have to do? You have to subtract 3 minus 3, it will be 0. So now again here also they shown 0, here also you getting 0. That's why it is satisfied. What you have to write? You have to write here yes. Okay, you don't write in your textbook, you have to write this thing in your Fairbook. Make the table of this and write the answers properly. Next, x minus 7 equal to 1. So here if you use x equal to 7, see, x in place of x I will write 7. 7 minus 7 will get 0, but here they showing 1. It means it is no. Okay, next, x minus 7 equal to 1. In place of x if you write 8, 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Yes, obviously 8 minus 7 will get 1 only. So this is satisfied. Here you have to write yes. Again, 5 into x, 5x means 5 into x. Keep in mind, 5x means 5 into x equal to 25. In place of you write 0, then 5 into 0 it will be 0, but here they equating to 25. That's why it is not satisfying. So our answer will be no. Okay, so next 5 problems do yourself. Second main, here they given equation and along with that they given one solution also. So that solution is satisfying the equation or not, you have to say. If it is not satisfying, then you have to write it is not a solution. So let's here take 5 n plus 5 equal to 19, where n equal to 1. So if we put in place of n 1, okay, so 1 plus 5, what it will gives? It will gives 4, but here they given 19. So 4 which is not equal to 19. So n equal to 1 is not solution. So why it is not solution? So it is not satisfying the LHS equal to RHS. What is the equation says? LHS should be equal to RHS. Right hand should be equal to left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Okay, but here one side we are getting 4, another side they given 19, which are not equal. That's why n equal to 1 is not solution. Let's take the B. Here they given minus 2, that's why I am taking, because you will get the confusion. So 7 n is there, means 7 into n, n means minus 2 plus 5 equal to 19. So here minus is there, if it is here plus, means always it is plus, plus into minus, minus 7 to the 14, okay, plus 5 equal to 19 they again giving, but here minus plus. So if there is opposite sign, what you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one and put the bigger sign. So 14 minus 5 it will be 9. Which 9? Minus 9, which is not equal to 19. So therefore n equal to minus 2 is not solution, is not solution. So when it will be solution, if we get same number on both side, LHS equal to RHS, then you can say solution, but here it is not solution, sorry. Okay, it is not solution. Understood? So next, here I am skipping C, D, directly taking E. Practice those which are skipped. 4P, 4 into minus 4. Why? Because P equal to minus 4 they took. Minus 3 equal to 13. So 4 4s are 16. With 16 minus, because here minus is there. Here if there is no sign, then it will be plus, plus into minus, minus. 4 4s are 16, minus 3 equal to 13. But here minus minus same sign are there. What you have to do? Add them and keep the minus. So it will be 19. 16 plus 3, 19 equal to 13, but it is not equal because minus 19 is different, 13 is different. So that's why minus 19 is not equal to 13. Therefore P equal to minus 4 is not a solution. Okay, so here I took all 3 examples which are not solution. Okay, what you have to do? You have to do the remaining problems as your practice. So third question, here you have to use the trial and error method to find the value of P. What you have to do? Just you take the P value as 0. So plus 2. What it will give? 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2, it will be 2, which is not equal to 17. Okay, so here P is not 0. Next 5, let's take the 1 plus 2. What you will get? 5 ones are 5 plus 2, it will be 5 plus 2, so gives us 7, which is not equal to 17. Next 5 into 2. Okay, plus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. So how much you will get? It will be 12, which is not equal to 17. Next now 5 into 3 plus 2. See, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 gives us 17, which is equal to 17. So now P value will be 3. So this is called trial and error method. Understood? So like this you have to do. Fourth question, here they given the statement, you have to write them in equation. Out of 9 I am here doing 4 and other for your practice. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So sum means what you have to do? Plus. For what? X. X plus 4 is how much? 9. This is your equation like this. 10 times a means 10 into a means 10a is equal to 70. Next 7 times m means 7m plus 7 gets you means is equal to 77. 1/4 of a number x, 1/4 of a number x means 1/4 into x means 1/4 x minus 4 gives how much? Gives 4. Understood? So like this you have to do the remaining problems. So in fifth question they given the equation, you have to write them statement. So here first one, P plus 4 equal to 15. It means P is added to 4 gives 15. P is added to 4 gives 15. Next 2m equal to 7 I here taking. 2m means 2 times m is equal to 7. Okay, so by seeing what you will get, that thing only you have to represent in the sentence. m by 5 equal to 3. It means m by 5. M by 5 means what? 1/5 of m. 1/5 of m is what? Is 3. Okay. Next, 3p plus 4 gives us 25, means equal to 25. So 3p means 3 times p plus 4 gives 25. Okay, these are very easy problems. Sixth problem is for your practice. Okay, set up an equation in the following cases. So read them and try to set up the equations.